Welcome back to my channel. Happy Thursday guys. So it's our foundation day reviews, impressions and review. Doing a word test on this foundation and find out also how this foundation actually going to perform on my combination to oily skin and also on my mature skin. We're doing the one size turn up the base foundation review. So I'm actually really excited to share with you guys to find out if this foundation actually worth getting or not. In that way, that will actually going to save you some money. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle. Passion is to create videos and provide makeup tutorials and reviews to help you enhance your beauty and save some money. So if you enjoyed videos like this, please smash that like button and subscribe because it helps me create content like this and provide as much value for you. Much for all your support, guys. Is this actually a buildable? Does it actually have a battery formula? Is it actually a blurring formula, or is it a bulletproof that actually lasts for 12 hours? Actually really suitable for all skin types. Guys wanted to join me, and if you wanted to save some money, if this foundation actually worth getting or not, please keep on watching. Patrick Starrr's One Size Beauty foundation, and this is actually can be purchased from his website and also from Sephora. In Australia, this is actually retail for $51 and there's actually 32 shades available, and in the US this is actually retail for $33 and there's also 32 shades available. Amazing, and I'm really thankful that that Patrick actually created a lot of foundation shades. Picked up is the shade Light. So this is actual packaging, guys. So it's got here light, and it's also got light golden, which is my undertones. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get the medium because it's actually not available on Sephora website here in Australia. Packaging is actually very slim packaging and very lightweight packaging. When you open it, it's actually easy to open, and also it also come a built-in mirror. Thing that I was actually expecting is because it's a compact powder, wish that it actually come in a the powder sponge. Actually like the color. So the color is a ruby red color formula. Really quickly, so what he actually stated in here is this is actually a multi-use foundation. You can actually set your foundation, you actually blot it. You can actually use this to blot and to touch up, or you can actually use it as a foundation itself. So this has also got a medium to full coverage finish, and it's also got a a soft matte finish and a very lightweight formula. It's a buttery smooth formula, blendable, bulletproof and blurring, a 12-hour wear. So this is actually a cruelty-free and gluten-free, and this is also a vegan formula, actually suitable for all skin types. And this also come in 8 grams buttery formula. Actual swatch, guys, and I actually did apply a hydrating primer. I did try 3 different methods in applying this foundation powder. We use this Morphe M439 to actually apply the foundation. I actually wanted to apply more coverage. I actually did took my the puff sponge. This is the Tin Lizzy. It actually did blurred up my imperfection on my face, and it feels very lightweight on the skin. My face now, I actually used the Chi Chi makeup powder blending sponge. The Chi Chi sponge actually giving that instant coverage when you've actually applied the foundation. Overall, guys, after I've applied the rest of my makeup, it actually definitely feels very lightweight on my skin. It's definitely mattifies my face, and it actually feels really soft on the skin after I've actually applied the foundation, and it feels very smooth on the skin. So time check, guys, is 12 8 midday. What I'm gonna do now is we're gonna be wearing this foundation throughout the day and find out how this foundation actually performs on my combination to oily skin and also on my mature skin. I'll see you guys soon. 34 in the afternoon, and I've actually been wearing this foundation now for over 4 hours. Okay, so let's just find out, guys, what's happening with the foundation and how it's actually sitting on my face at the moment. Straight away that on this side, the side of my face, it actually still mattifies compared from this side here. That the oil started to build up. So surprisingly, it's actually better off to actually use a puff. The powder foundation started to sit on my fine lines here, and other than that, my forehead and my chin area still looks mattified. I'm gonna leave this side on as it is. This side here, we're gonna do a retouch. I'll be wearing this foundation throughout the day, and I'll check in a little bit later on through the night and find out how this foundation is actually sitting on my face. So I'll see you guys soon. The time check is 10:36 at night. I've actually been wearing this foundation now for 10.5 hours, guys. We're gonna find out now, guys, how this foundation is actually performing on my skin. Last check-in that I did, I only touch up one side of my face, which is this side here, and now I can actually see that both sides of my face, it started to build up oil. Okay, on my forehead and also on this area here, my pores actually started to emphasize, and also on my chin, and of course the foundation still sitting on my fine lines here. This is definitely a long-lasting powder foundation, guys. What's up for me, guys? And yeah, so if you guys are actually thinking about trying this trying this foundation, making sure that you really prep your skin with the right skincare, and also applying hydrating primer or hydrating spray before you're applying the foundation. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually did help you out today. And please comment down below what video you want to watch next. And thank you so much for everyone who already subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you wanted to see more of my future videos, please consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button. And please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload new videos every week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Please don't forget to like and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.